Hey guys, today I'll show you how to save photos to Gmail account. Kindly watch carefully so you don't miss a step. Firstly, tap on Compose. Now kindly retype your Gmail address as the recipient. Now kindly select any photo of your choice. As you can see, our photo was successfully saved to our Gmail account. Now you can also save it back to your gallery by pressing and holding the image for a while. As you can see, the photo was saved successfully back to our gallery. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos.